Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to introduce Hoovic, a new oscillator for Korg NTS-1. Hoovic is specially designed for the hoover sound. So let's start. This is the basic sound of Hoovic. Hoovic has an internal pitch envelope. Use knob A and knob B to set the pitch rising time and falling time. Then, let's add the pulse width modulation. Keep pressing the OSC button and use the knob A to set the LFO rate to around 4 Hz. Then use the knob B to maximize the LFO depth. Finally, add the chorus effect as you prefer. Okay, we have done making the famous hoover sound. Hoovic has some more parameters. Press the OSC button and keep it pressed. Rotate the type knob to select a parameter. The DCO range parameter determines the bass octave of the sound. You can choose normal, or 1 octave lower, or 2 octaves lower, or 1 octave higher pitch by selecting the parameter value from 1 to 4. The pitch envelope parameter lets you choose the pattern of pitch movement. There are 7 preset patterns. The last one is the noise level. You can add some noise to the sound if you want. Thank you for watching this video, and please visit the link below if you want more information. Bye!